not a prank call, not Conky, not Mr. Bananas, not anything. This is a serious video. I just heard on the Weather Channel, all Ontario is going to get hit by a big hurricane Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I want to tell everybody, keep your kids, keep your... And especially if you live in a basement, do that. Keep all of your loved ones in one room with you. Make sure you do, because this hurricane is going to kill a lot of people. Alright, I'm just telling you guys this, so try to keep safe. If you watch my video and you know that this hurricane is on you, please comment and say that thank you, because this is going to be like October 2012, October 29th, 30th, or 31st. This is not a joke. This is all serious. You guys got to believe me on this. Freaking check the Weather Network right now. You can even see freaking everything. The hurricane's going to hit Toronto. Freaking, it already hit the Caribbean, Philippines, freaking Bahamas. It killed a bunch of people. So people, stay inside. Don't go out on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Keep all your kids inside. Call your work. Call for schools and saying you're not going out because of a hurricane. Because the hurricane is supposed to hit on Monday, and it's not early Tuesday. So, keep your kids inside. Keep your family inside. Keep your animals inside. Keep everybody you love inside. Alright? This is just a video saying a warning for everybody to go, check the Weather Network. See? And stay inside, right? See ya.